Fana laka zikr. Warafana laka zikr. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Chapter 73. Whoever calls his brother a kafir disbeliever without any grounds, and he does not think that he is such, then he himself is such what he says. Narrated. Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if a man says to his brother, O kafir disbeliever, then surely one of them is such. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if anyone says to his brother, O kafir disbeliever, then surely one of them is such. Narrated Thabit bin Adhak, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever swears by a religion other than Islam, if he swears by saying that he is a non-Muslim in case he is telling a lie, then he is as he says. If his oath is false, and whoever commits suicide with something will be punished with the same in the hell fire, and cursing a believer is like murdering him, and whoever accuses a believer of disbelief, then it is as if he had killed him. Whoever does not consider a kafir the person who says that, O kafir, if he thinks that what he says is true, or if he is ignorant of the seriousness of such saying. And Umar said about Hatib bin Abi Balta, he has one hypocrisy. Thereupon the Prophet ﷺ said to Umar, who knows, perhaps Allah has looked at the warriors of Badr and said to them, do whatever you like, I have forgiven you. Narrated Jabir bin Abdullah radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Mu'ad bin Jabal radiallahu ta'ala anhu used to offer salat prayer with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and then go to lead his pupil in salat prayer. Once he led two pupil in salat prayer and recited Suratul Al-Baqarah. A man left the row of the pupil offering salat and offered light salat prayer separately and went away. When Muad came to know about it, he said, that man is a hypocrite. Later that man heard what Muad said about him, so he came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's messenger, we are people who work with our own hands and irrigate our farms with our camels. Last night Muad led us in the night salat prayer and he recited Surah Al-Baqarah, so I offered my prayer separately, and because of that he accused me of being a hypocrite. The Prophet ﷺ called Muad and said thrice, O Muad, you are putting the people to trials. Recite Washamsi Wadduha, Surah number 91, or Subhi Isma Rabbikal Ala, Surah number 87, or the like. Narrated Abu Huraira radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Allah's messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever amongst you swears saying by error in his oath by Allah and Al-Uzza, then he should say, La ilaha illallah, none has the right to be worshipped but Allah. And whoever says to his companions, come let me gamble, then he must give something in charity as an expiation for such a sin. Narrated Ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu that he found Umar bin Al-Khattab in a group of people and he was swearing by his father. So Allah's messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam called them, saying, verily Allah forbids you to swear by your father. If one has to take an oath, they should swear by Allah or otherwise keep quiet. What is allowed to say when one is angry or harsh for Allah's sake? Allah Ta'ala said, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, strive hard against the disbelievers and the hypocrites and be harsh against them. Verses 973. Narrated Aisha Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam entered upon me while there was a curtain having pictures in the house. His face became red with anger, and then he got hold of the curtain and tore it into pieces. The Prophet ﷺ said, such people as paint these pictures will receive the severest punishment on the day of resurrection. Narrated Abu Masud Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu, men came to the Prophet ﷺ and said, I keep away from the morning prayer only because so and so person prolonged the Salat prayer. When he leads us in it, the narrator added, I had never seen Allah's Messenger ﷺ more furious in giving advice than he was on that day. He ﷺ said, O people, there are some among you who make people dislike good deeds, Salat prayer. Be aware, whoever among you leads the people in Salat prayer should not prolong it, because among them there are the sick, the old, and the one who is in a state that requires urgent relief. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, while the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was offering Salat prayer, he saw sputum on the wall of the mosque in the direction of the Qibla. So he scraped it off with his hand, and the sign of disgust was apparent from his face, and then said, whenever anyone of you is offering Salat prayer, he should not spit in front of him, because Allah is in front of him. Narrated Zaid bin Khalid al-Juhani, a man asked Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam about al-Luqata, a lost fallen purse or a thing picked up by somebody. The Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, you should announce it publicly for 1 year. You then remember and recognize the time, material of its container, and then you can spend it if its owner come to you. Then you should pay him its equivalent. The man said, O Allah's Messenger, what about a lost sheep? The Prophet ﷺ said, take it because it is for you, for your brother, or for the wolf. The man again asked, O Allah's Messenger, what about a lost camel? Allah's Messenger ﷺ became angry and furious, and his cheeks became red, or his face became red, and he said, you have nothing to do with it. The camel, for it has its feet and its water container with it till it meets its owner. Narrated Zaid bin Thabit Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Allah's Messenger made a small room with a palm leaf mat. Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came out of his house and offered Salat prayer in it. Some men came and joined him in his Salat prayer. Then again the next night they came for the Salat prayer. But Allah's Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam delayed and did not come out to them for Salat prayer. So they raised their voices and knocked the door with small stones or draws extension. He come out, and then a state of anger, saying, you out of them, in a state of anger, saying, you are still insisting on your deed. Tarawah Salat in the mosque. It did not come out for Salat prayer, because I thought that his Salat Tarawah prayer might become obligatory on you. So you people offer this Salat prayer at your home. For the best Salat prayer of a person is it the one which he offers at home, except the compulsory congregational Salat. Assalamu alaikum.